This is how you do a cut on your low D. Start off with your all 6 fingers down on a D. Then you're going to lift your G and you're going to snap it down as you breathe. Okay, it'll sound like this. And again. And again. Now I'm going to do 3 and then I'm going to get you to do 3. And do. Copy that. Now I'll try again. Go. And me. And yourself. And duck. So this is how you do a cut in your E. You're going to start off with all 5 fingers on an E and you're going to snap down your G finger as you begin to breathe. Okay, so it sounds like this. Now try that. Ready, go. Mahoo. I'll play, you copy. Listen. You. Me. Go. And me. And you. Mahoo. So this is how you do an F cut, okay? So you start in your F and we snap down a G just as we begin to breathe. So it sounds like this. First and second were better than third there. Okay, so I'll try 3 and then you try copying it. Your go. My go. Go. My go. Go. Mahoo. So now we're going to do a G cut. You do a G cut by starting off with all fingers on a G and then you snap down your G finger as you're just beginning to breathe. So it sounds like this. And again. And again. Oh God, mine were a bit dodgy there. Let me do a couple of better ones for you. That one was good. That one was okay. That one was okay. So I'll do 3. You give it a go and on. Ready, go. Give it a go. And me. And yourself. And me. And yourself. Lovely. So now we're going to do an A cut with a C, right? So what happens here is you start off with your A finger and you snap down your B finger, making a C sound just before the A note kicks in. So it sounds like this. Now you give that a go. I'll do it 3 times again and you copy as exactly as you can. Give it a go. Lovely. And me. Mahoo. So this is a B cut with the C. You simply start with a C fingering, i.e. no fingers on the holes. And you snap down your B finger just as you begin to breathe. So it sounds like this. Okay, now I'm going to play 3. You copy after me as exactly as you can. Go. My go. Intak. Horbor. So we cut a D with a high G. Okay, so you're going to start off with your fingers on a D. Now, realistically, you'll probably be in the middle of a reel at this point and you will probably have all 6 fingers down. So ideally, you would have your 6th finger up. And it does give better tone. But I'm not going to judge you if you have all 6 fingers down and it sounds like this. Because sometimes when you're playing really fast, that's just what you got to do. Okay, so let's try it with both ways. I'm going to try my finger up and give 3, and you're going to copy after me. Give it a go. My go. And finally, give it a go. Fair play. Now, let's try it with all 6 fingers down, okay? So, ooh, excuse me. As you can see, it's not the easiest of cuts. Okay, I'm going to do 3 more. Hopefully we'll get a 100% success rate with mine. And then you're going to copy after me. And yourself. My go. And you. And my go. Itak. Mine. So here's how you do a high E cut. It's exactly like the low E cut, right? All 5 fingers down, and you're going to cut with a G. So you're going to snap down your G finger just as you begin to breathe. It sounds like this. Give it a go. And me. And you. And me. And you. Mahu. So here's a high F cut, and I'm going to cut it with my G finger. So 4 fingers down, and I'm going to lash down with my G finger just as I begin to breathe. Sounds like this. Give it a go there. Mahu. Now my go. Now your go. And me again. Integral. So here's a high G cut. You're going to have all 3 fingers on your G, and you're going to snap down your G finger just as you begin to breathe. Sounds like this. Okay, so 3 of them in a row are. Give it a go yourself. My go. And my go. Itak. Mahu. So now we do the high A cut. Start off with an A and tap your B finger down just as you begin to breathe. So it sounds like this. Give that a go. And listen. And my go. My. So now let's do a high B cut with a C on the tin whistle. So you start off with no fingers, and you very quickly snap your B finger down as you begin to breathe. So you get an instantaneous C. Sounds like this. Okay, so I'll do 3, and then I want you to do 3 after me. I go. And me. Integral fad. Mahu.